Hey guys, Gracie here. Today we're going to talk about attracting birds to your yard all season long. With all the recent time spent at home enjoying the small things, I have been amazed to see how many different birds have flocked to my yard over the past few months. Cardinals, blue jays, robins, hummingbirds, and more. I never considered myself a bird person, but I have to say I love this new hobby. Did you know that fall is still an excellent time to attract these feathered friends to our yards? Here's a few tips and tricks that will have these creatures visiting in no time. Tip number 1, birds need a place to fuel up. Using a feeder with a large food capacity or multiple feeders is a great way to provide enough for all. Feeders that deter critters, like the squirrel-proof feeder, are great options. The weight of the squirrel pulls the cage down to close all 4 feeding ports, so they definitely can't get in there. Another great option is this Squirrel Be Gone feeder. Tip number 2, fill your feeders with a variety of flavors birds will love. Just like us humans tend to stock up on calories in the fall and winter, birds need to do the same, especially for those frigid nights. English Garden sells a great selection of bird feed that these feathered pals will absolutely love. Kohl's Blazing Hot blend with habanero chilies will make the songbirds go crazy. And guess what? Squirrels hate that hot flavor, so they won't be causing any problems. And Kohl's Nutberry Suet blend is the ultimate trail mix for birds and will attract seed, fruit, and insect-loving songbirds to your feeder with its mix of delicious ingredients. And sunflower meats are the #1 choice of the birds. Plus, no shell equals no mess. Suet is a solid fat rendered from beef and venison and offers highly concentrated energy for birds, which is great for those cold winter months. English Gardens offers a variety of these Friends of Flight suet cakes, including high energy, peanut, and orange. Birds will remember your feeders and will come back for more if you stay consistent. Remember to ask a neighbor or friend to replenish your feeders if you're leaving home for an extended period of time. And tip number 3, offer an open and available water source. Birds really appreciate having water available to them, especially during a season when ponds and streams often freeze up. English Gardens offers a beautiful selection of bird baths for your yard. Stop by to check them out today. For even more tips on attracting birds this season, head over to EnglishGardens.com. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.